This week at NASA.
We learn the new things first. And we with an educated citizenry, a little investment, wow, new whole businesses and industries, and whether it was better ways of making steel or automobiles or whatever it was. We led the world in innovation and technology, and that's where the new and good jobs came from.
Senator John Glenn spoke during a NASA Future Forum at The Ohio State University about the fundamental elements that once made America a leading innovator and their importance to the nation's future. NASA officials, university representatives, and students participated in a panel discussion about NASA's role in advancing innovation, technology, science, engineering, education, and the economy. The Future Forum coincided with the 50th anniversary of Glenn's historic Friendship 7 spaceflight. Astronauts aboard the International Space Station sent a congratulatory message and talked with Glenn during an in-flight call from the station.
50 years ago today, Friendship 7 was orbiting planet Earth, and that helped in a very big way pave the way for America to become a space power and to go to the moon and to do the things that we're doing right now on the International Space Station.
It's my privilege today to be here to share NASA's fiscal year 2013 budget.
NASA Administrator Charles Bolden and Chief Financial Officer Beth Robinson outlined the President's fiscal year 2013 budget proposal for NASA during a news conference at NASA headquarters. The proposed budget would enable NASA to continue the space exploration program envisioned by President Obama, one that creates jobs and spurs the American economy well into the future, while sending us farther into space than ever before.
We've made steady and tangible progress on the next generation deep space crew capsule and our new heavy lift rocket that will launch astronauts on journeys to destinations farther in our solar system. Those priorities are funded in this budget. Already, we've been doing test firings of the J2X engine that will power the heavy lift's upper stage. Orion has undergone water drop tests for its eventual ocean landing. Funding is included in this budget to keep this important work going.
"2012's first test of the J2X, NASA's first human-rated engine to be developed in 40 years, is in the books. Engineers at the Stennis Space Center conducted a short 1.8-second test firing of the J2X power pack. The power pack comprises components on the top portion of the engine designed to generate the thrust needed to power the upper stage of NASA's Space Launch System, the next-generation heavy-lift launch vehicle that will be capable of missions beyond low Earth orbit.
It's a pretty important test. We have had the facility down for almost 2 years. So the first test allows us to get the facility up and operational and to make sure that it can do the things it's supposed to do to support the J2X power pack test.
Stennis is planning to conduct about a dozen tests on the power pack from now through this summer.
Misha, what should I do?
The Expedition 30 crew conducted the International Space Station's 30th Russian-based spacewalk. Cosmonauts Oleg Kononenko and Anton Shkaplerov spent a total of 6 hours, 15 minutes completing a variety of work on the orbiting outpost. The duo moved one of 2 Strela cargo cranes from the Pirs docking compartment to the Poisk Mini Research Module and installed a materials sample experiment, which will investigate the effects of space on the mechanical properties of those materials. The pair was unable to complete all of the originally planned work, including the installation of 5 protective shields on the Zvezda service module.